Good morning to everyone. Today I'll be telling you something about athletic chapter. First of all, let me tell you how the events are categorized or divided in athletics. So there are basically two types. How the events are categorized or divided. First one is track event and the other one is field events. You might all have heard athletics, track and field events. So first of all, let me tell you what is track event, which are the events comes under this track event. 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter, 800 meter, 1500 meter, 5000, 10,000, race walking, steeplechase, 100 meter hurdles, 110 meter hurdles, 400 meter hurdles. So these all comes under the category of track event. Now let us see field events, which all events are coming under this category. Long jump, triple jump, high jump. All the three jumps, pole vault, that is fourth jump, all the four jump, and the throws, that is shot put, discus, javelin, and hammer. So these all comes under the category field events. Today I will be telling you about one of the field event, that is long jump. What is long jump? It is the distance jumped or covered in a single attempt. Here the main aim of long jump is to cover the maximum distance in a single attempt. Now let me tell you first what are the different styles of long jump or technique of long jump. There are basically two types. First one is hang style, that is you have to form an arc in the air. Second one is hitch kick, where you have to do the cycling action in the air. Now let me tell you what are the phases or steps of a long jump. If you are going for a long jump event, you have to cover all these phases. You have to go for training for all these phases. First one is approach run. The distance should be 30 to 35 meter. Moreover, it depends upon the level of the athlete, level of the athlete's performance. Athlete's performance will fix the distance of the approach run. For example, if a standard 1 boy is going for a long jump event, his takeoff approach run will be different, or it will be less as compared to the class 10 boy going for a long jump event. His takeoff approach run will be more. Next step is takeoff. From where you have to do the takeoff and how. So you have to go for the takeoff action from the takeoff board. You cannot cross the takeoff board, and if you are jumping or if you are taking takeoff action from very beginning of the takeoff board, then you might be losing distance. So length of the takeoff board is 1.22 and the breadth is 20 centimeter. After that, a plasticine indicator is fixed. Now what is this plasticine indicator? It is the indicator which helps the officials to find out which athlete has done a disquali or crossed the takeoff board. After that, the next phase is action in the air. As I earlier told you, there are two types: hand style, forming an arc in the air, and hitch kick, cycling in the air. So now comes the rule. If you are going for a hand style action in the air, you have to make an arc. If you are going for the hitch kick style, you have to just go for a cycling action. And then comes the landing. Now here three types of landing are there. First one is collapse landing. Second one, swing out. And the third one is scoop landing. So you all might be eager to know what is collapse landing, what is swing out landing, and what is scoop landing. So in my another video or next video, I will do all these actions of collapse landing, swing out landing, and scoop landing, so that you can easily understand what is collapse landing, what is swing out landing, what is scoop landing, how it is done. So now let me tell you the dimension or measurement of the landing arena, landing pit. The length should be 9 meter, minimum of 9 meter, and breadth it should be 2.75 meter to 3 meter. So this was all about long jump, which comes under the field event of athletics. For today, thank you.